Hi everybody, I'm home. What I need is a bouncy castle pump. Well, you can't get bouncy castle pumps because they're all 1,000 miles away. There's nothing in this area, so can we turn this thing? Is it possible? Right there. Is it possible to make this run backwards so it's blowing instead of sucking? Have anybody ever had a go at that? If so, write it down on a postcard and send it to me. Gotta be a way, surely. Gotta be a way. So, that's what we're going to try and do while I'm electrocuting myself, as damn well usual, because you seem to like me electrocuting myself. I can't see it. I don't know. Can you just swap two wires and make the thing run backwards? You know, the old, like the old days we used to blow myself up. Step 1, unplug it. Step 2, you find a girl you love. Step 3, you kiss and hold her tightly. Some sort of capacitor. Right, put that in there. Hold it down, just in case it wants to go for a Mexican walk. We're going to have to open that up, and what I want to do is see if I can turn that propeller over so it's pushing out, not sucking in. Right, let's take this off. We know all this can go back on. Okay, let's bring you over here. Well, according to me, that there is part of that there. That is not a lip. So that's your points, that's your doodly doodly. That goes there, that goes there, that goes there. We don't know what the fuck that is. Where do we go? One goes to the motor. One goes to the thing. Now we gotta convert this. There's screws in there. Fucking crazy fucking thing I've ever fucking seen in my fucking life. What do them screws hold in it? I don't know, Rob. Well, let's fucking find out then. Will I go in there safely? There you are. See, always go for a safe. Well, I can fix that. That's no problem, you know. How the fuck did they get in there with a screwdriver? Fucking hell, man, this Japanese are fucking crazy. That screw will be going the opposite. So, I'd say that goes completely left-handed. If you go like that, you've got nothing telling you there which way to go unless you altered. We altered, get rid of that and send it out the fucking side. Right. Red goes there with black there. Going through that, whatever that fucking is. So these are red and that's black, blue. red and blue. So if I swap them over, which would be exactly the same as swapping the wires in a plug, wouldn't it? I don't know what all that's about in there. There don't seem to be nothing in there. It's just purely. Let's go back to, where did that one go in? Right, okay. Blue went on there. Blue goes on there, and these two are lives, which is the switch, which would tell that which way to go. Let's see if it still works. After all my beating. Which way is that spinning? That was spinning that way. Right. That's definitely going that way. Red to the switch. That's going permanent dead live straight to the switch. Up into the thing, back down into the doodler. Good clips. Obviously to stop fucking idiots doing this. There's one. I'm going to swap that with that. I'm putting red on there. I'm putting blue on there. That won't work, Rob. Maybe it won't, but I fucking tried. 2-second flash. You will now see blue sparks and smoke, probably. I think that was still spinning that way. It was still spinning that way. So that didn't make a fucking blind bit of muscle. Yeah, but all you gotta do, Rob. I know, I heard it all before, that's the fucking trouble. I don't know. Something I've never fucking done, something I never fucking played with. You know, I do not like electricity. So we changed them too. Let me just change these two for a bigger laugh. I go like that just to get rid of metal fucking filings. They're fucking everywhere. Whatever colour that was on there, whatever colour this is. So them two are back to normal. They're still true. No. So whatever's in there don't like me. Still going that way. Waste of a video, but I know there's going to be somebody out there who will say all you have to do is fa fa foo foo fa fa. Okay, I get that feeling somebody's going to say that. So if you can say fa fa foo 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 fa fa, I will listen to you. Fa fa Hoo-hoo, ha-ha. Well, I've been on all the pages to look for a bouncy castle pump is what they call them. Well, I got it. It's in there somewhere. And the castle. £10. I didn't really want the castle, but they said if I don't have it, they'll bin it. So I thought, well, I should take it, might cut it up, come into a canvas or something. We'd find something to use it for, wouldn't we? So I'm on my way home.
Head east on Barton Road towards Friars Street.
Okay. Hello there.
Turn right onto A49. Turn right onto A49.
Yeah, I can change my voice as well. We're on the way home. We're actually going back to the works, but apparently Seb might pop in. I can't see me getting back in time to see Seb. They're letting Seb home during the daytime because apparently he's an handful, and the nurses, he won't do what he's told, so the nurses and the doctors agreed to let him go home and come back. Ain't that nice? You see how he tries to hide my name, look? Yeah, I see. I'll show you. Oh, yeah. There, look. You see? Yeah, that's right. What's going on?